What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. If you're returning, welcome back. I just wanted to talk to you guys about the jumper T8SG, the multi-protocol transmitter, and the MJX protocol. So I'm going to show you guys how to bind up to MJX protocol quads. This is one of them. This is a rare one here though. Can't really remember the name of this one. I'll have it up on the screen for you guys. But there's a bunch of MJX protocol toy grade quads out there. Here's one of my favorites. Well, I think this is absolutely my favorite MJX toy grade there. That's the MJX X600. This is the MJX X400. And so all of these little quads here can be flown with this jumper T8SG. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. There's actually a little trick that you have to do. So let me show you guys. I hit enter there to go to this screen here, which is the main menu. I hit enter again at model setup, and then you have this screen here. So this is the load screen. We're just going to go down. Actually, let's treat it as if you guys already have a model set up. So this is how you create a new model. You just hit load. You go to an empty space. So I'm here where it says none. So I'm going to hit enter again. And so now I'm going to scroll down here. We're going to make sure TX power is up to 150. To give this thing maximum range. Then we're going to go down to this section right here. Now we're on the Devo protocol now. We're just going to keep moving to the side until we get to the desired protocol that we're going to be using. Bayang protocol, a bunch of them in there. So this is it. MJXQ is the one. And so we're going to hit enter. These are the sub protocols here. So we're going to stop at X600 or X800, either one. We're going to do X600 though. And then you just hit exit there one time. Now the trick with this one, it won't bind up if you just have it this way. And what you have to do is the fixed ID there, which is now currently 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to change that. Now, it can't be anything on the MJX protocol. For some weird reason, they made it so that it has to be a multiple of 6. So you can use 6 or 12 or 24, any multiple of 6. I usually use 12. So let's put in 12, enter, oops, what am I doing? I hit 16, so we're going to go to delete, hit enter one time and make that go away. There we are there. We're going to go down to done, and we're done. And so now, just to show you guys that it does work, we're going to go to reinitiate there. And let's plug up this guy. This is the MJX X600. This takes a 2S battery. Pretty awesome flyer here. So this one has an on and off switch on the top. So we're going to switch it on. You see lights flashing there. Now we're just going to hit enter on this screen here. And so now I think we have to sit it down and do this. So I hit it while I was sitting down. The accelerometer has to level, and now we're bound. Let's test it real quick. There we go. So let's take these things out for a fly. All right, y'all, so we out here with the MJX, and I have a jumper here. And we got this super long battery in here. So let's try to get this thing fired up. There we go. That's a flat enough surface there. As soon as we turn it on, it's going to bind. So we should be bound to it now. Okay, so we're bound. Slow yaw rate, but the pitch is insane though. So more than makes up for it with the pitch. The sun is blinding me over there. And this increases the range. The sun's killing me. We'll die. Keep forgetting and going towards that sun there. Ah, sun. Let's bring it back. I gotta look at the lights to see if my lights are flashing. A quick way to lose altitude is just pitch all the way forward, and it'll dive like crazy. On deviation, it does that. With the stop controller, it's not going to pitch as much. So you're going to have to cut throttle to dive or to come down in altitude. We almost hit a bird just now. Let's mess with the bird up there. bird on top of this thing here. Check out the pitch on it, it's crazy. Super deep funnels. The yaw isn't that fast, but the deepness of the pitch makes the funnels awesome. Whoa! And we banged out, but recovered from it. I don't know if I have the flip button set up. Let's see if I have the flip button on a switch. Doesn't seem like it. No flip. And our lights aren't flashing either. Check it out, I'm all the way down there, guys. Let's come back top speed. Whoa! I almost killed myself with it. I tried to recover from it. So we're back up with it. And of course this little thing isn't going to hurt anybody. Even if it would have hit me head on, I would be okay. Do a speed pass. And the battery died, guys. Let's check out the MJX X600. Definitely one of my favorites here to fly. Let's bring it in close so you guys can look at it. Check him out. Check out the deep pitch that it has. Awesome range with this transmitter. Nice speed on it. So you can use different channels to program control of different things. Like you can control the lights, you can turn them on and off. And you can do that on the small MJX quads and hexes as well. Turn the lights on and off. This one here has headless mode. So this is the only toy grade MJX with headless mode. The only thing is with the stock transmitter, you get a faster yaw. So they weren't able to keep a fast yaw and keep this deep pitch, so they went with the pitch. And I'm happy they did that, because deeper pitch is more important than faster yaw. Because you can still do a quick turn with a deep pitch. As you can see, like that, you can do a funnel, or I call them funnel turns. You can do a funnel to make a fast turn. Just pitch all the way forward and give side aileron full and apply yaw as well. And you can do a funnel turn with this thing. So that's it. These things fly pretty long. I don't want to bore you guys out with me flying back and forth with these guys. Oh, one other thing, you can also program the flips for it. I didn't program flips for it. I guess I can show you guys that in another video. But it's the MJX protocol flown with a multi-protocol transmitter running deviation. Thanks for watching.